Did you know that a humble handful of rice, yes, the same grain you've probably got sitting in your pantry, can help boost plant growth and even fend off pests naturally? Stick around till the end, because this simple trick might make a big difference in your garden's vitality. Start with 1 tablespoon of plain, uncooked white rice. Make sure it's clean and free from any added oils or seasoning. Add it to half a liter of lukewarm water. No fancy tools needed. Stir vigorously or blend for about a minute to help release the nutrients from the grains, creating a cloudy, nutrient-rich solution. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Then, strain it through a fine mesh or cloth to remove the rice grains. Top it off with room temperature water to make a full liter. Give it one final shake, and you've got a natural, plant-friendly tonic ready to go. Here's why it works. Rice water contains starches, amino acids, and trace nutrients like phosphorus and potassium that nourish the soil and support plant development. It also encourages beneficial microbial activity, which helps improve nutrient uptake and protects roots from harmful pathogens. Lightly water your plants with this rice tonic around the base, or use it as a gentle foliar spray early in the morning. No need to overdo it. Just a light application once a week during active growth is enough. For young seedlings, dilute the mixture by half. They'll still